Attorney Lee Marvin here, providing updates on immigration. Today I want to do the update about public charge rules. There's a lot going on in the news today about public charge. On February 24th of this year, the Trump administration unveiled new rules relating to the ability of immigration services to evaluate whether somebody can become a permanent resident. Basically, these new rules will analyze somebody's wealth, their health, their age, educational skills, English proficiency, and a few other factors. Two important other factors relate to somebody's credit. The government requires now somebody to provide a credit history, credit report to show that they don't have bad credit. The second is somebody's requirement to be able to obtain and maintain their health care coverage. These are big problems for people coming into the United States who might not have a credit history or have trouble actually obtaining health coverage. So on July 29th, as a result of the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic, a judge in New York actually ruled that these rules could not be applied to anyone during the COVID pandemic. Then on August 4th, a judge in the same circuit ruled that the Trump administration could not enforce any of these rules on anyone because they violated federal law, or so the argument was. On August 12th, a judge in that same district came back and said, okay, no, this could not be applied to people in the Second Circuit, which is where New York is, but it can be applied to people anywhere else. Basically saying, we're making a decision about our circuit, not everyone else. So therefore, it goes back to the last rule or the judgment, which was blocking the rules as it applied to people across the country during the pandemic. So as of right now, the rules that were started February 24th do not apply to anyone because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Once the pandemic is resolved, only people in the Second Circuit Court will be free or will not have to abide by those provisions. So basically, we're talking New York, Connecticut, and Vermont. The Trump administration is looking into whether they even want to go back to enforcing these new public charge rules at all. They call it the decision to see if they're administratively viable to basically go back and try to re-implement these new public charge rules. There's a lot of difficulty with trying to enforce things only in part of the country, not the entire system. So stand by. We're going to get more information as it comes out about this. But as of right now, so important for people to know, file as soon as you can for any type of green card related process, because public charge rules that were enacted February 24th do not apply. And the other thing is, the filing fees are going to increase dramatically October 2nd of this year. There's a proposal to increase some fees as much as 80%. So huge increases in filing fees. So if you're close to deciding whether you want to file for anything with immigration, now's the time to do it. So please contact us if you have any questions or if you want to move forward with any process. We're 616-450-2981. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for updates. We will continue to let people know about the public charge rules and also about the increase in the fees. Thank you. Have a very nice day.